Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram new filter Lofi dust not working and you are seeing the error something went wrong. Please try again later. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with Instagram new filter Lofi dust not working and you are seeing something went wrong, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is first you need to update your Instagram. If it is not up to date, then update your Instagram. Just open a Play Store, then search for Instagram. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, go back, open the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, then tap on the search, then find Instagram. Tap on the Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache, tap on that, and tap on clear cache. Then go back and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to make sure if you are using mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data. And once restart the mobile and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to make sure that you have not connected any VPN. If you are using any VPN, just disconnect it and try it again. After trying all this method, still you are facing the issue, then open the Instagram app, profile icon, tap on 3 horizontal lines, then scroll down. Here you will find more info and support. Under that you will find help option. Tap on the help, then tap on report a problem. You have to make sure that this option is disabled. Shake phone to report a problem. You have to disable this option, then tap on report a problem. Tap on include and continue. Here you need to type on simple matter, hi Instagram team, Lofi dust filter is not working in my Instagram app, so please fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing this, just you need to take one screenshot. You need to take one screenshot and attach it here, then tap on send. After sending, you need to wait at least 24 to 48 hours. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram new filter Lofi dust not working on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.